For the bass clef intervals, we see that we have C and G. And by the way, as we're doing our intervals, always go from the lowest tone to the highest tone. Begin lowest to highest when you're doing your reading of the intervals. Let's plot C. So we have two black keys. To the left is C. And then we have G. So three black keys, F, G. So here's my G. What is the interval? We can do it this way, starting with the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I did was count space, line, space, line, space. Or I could do it by keyboard, just the letters. C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know it is some type of a fifth. Now let's count the half steps or semitones from C to G and see where it falls. Let's find out if it's perfect, augmented, or diminished. And we have to zigzag and catch all the keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tells me that this is a perfect fifth. So we use a capital P for perfect. Now I want you to pause the video and try the next one by yourself. Now, let's do this one together. We want to start with a clean keyboard. I'm in the bass, so the sentence I use to find my letters, great big dogs fight animals, this would be great. So this one is G. And this is a space, so we use all cows eat grass. All cows eat, and it's a flat, so E flat. Let's determine what the interval is. So we have line, space, line, space, line, space. That would be a sixth. Well, what kind of sixth? In my sixes, I can have a major sixth, which would have 9 semitones, or I could have a minor. So let's put them on the keyboard and count our semitones. My 3 black keys, I will find G is here. That's my low note. To go to E flat, can I go to this E flat below the G? No, I have to go to the higher one because it's higher on the staff, so I have to go to the right. C is here, D, E. So here's the E we have to go to. And to make a flat, I go to this black key. Now, how many semitones? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what kind of sixth is it? It's a minor sixth. So we use a little m to designate minor sixth. All right, let's do another one. And I've asked you to pause the video and try it on your own, and then you'll come back and see if you did it like I did. Let's check to see how you did the last bass clef interval and its quality. Let's label our letters using the sentence, great big dogs fight. So that's on fight, so that's an F. Animals. And then I see a ledger line. The first little ledger line above the bass is your middle C, and just above middle C is letter D. Let's count the interval distance. I see line, space, line, space, line, space. That would be a sixth. And now we need to determine what the quality of that is. So let's plot this on our keyboard. Here I have 3 black keys, so F is to the left. And again, which way should I go to place the D? Higher than F, which would be to the right, or lower than F, which would be to the left? It would be higher because it's higher on the staff. So I go to the right. And I find D is between 2 black keys. Now, we count semitones. Again, we're zigzagging to catch all the white and black keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm on a sixth. It has 9 semitones, so it is called major sixth. So I'm going to use a capital M to distinguish it from the minor. So major sixths. So there you have several different intervals. We had melodics. We had a tricky one. It is the interval of a second, but it sounds like the quality of a minor third, and we had to do an enharmonic change to see that on the keyboard. And then we reviewed how to read our notes in the bass and how to find if it was perfect, minor, or major. So I hope that you can do this on your own and do a good job. I'm sure you can.